Everyone, in this video we'll be discussing that what are the important documents which you can get it done even now. So these are the important documents, so just I will suggest make them ready, because last year what happened, because Dasa counseling was in the month of July and August, so at that time the school was on summer vacation, so it was very tough for the students. Also, for the parents also, I will suggest a document that they can get it done. So in this video, we'll be discussing that. So also, if you want to join discussion with our counselors, that option is also there. Links are in the description. So this is the first certificate which I will suggest, that this certificate you can get it done from Dasa 2025. Okay, so you can make it done this certificate, because this will be done from the school and you will be requiring the school principal signature. So what you can do, you can just reach out to a school and get it done. So the print, you can take it from Dasa 2025 brochure. You can get it done, because usually, for most of the time, this is the same format. Okay, from the past 2-3 years, the format is same. So we will suggest just get it done. This is the one format. Okay, this is the another format which your parents have to get it from their company. Okay, so this you can tell your parents that get it done, as there is some issues currently previously going on. Now it's fine although, but please make it done. Okay, so get it done from the company, as because it's not like that there should be some specific date. Even if you are getting in the month of January or any other month, it's valid. Okay, so please tell your parents to get this document done. Okay, and this is the third document that you have to get from the school. So whenever you are going to school, just get this document also, that certificate from school as a proof of education that you had studied. Okay, on school letterhead. If a school is having a letterhead, then it's fine, otherwise no need to worry. In this also you can get it signed from the school principal and all. Okay, but the school name and what they had mentioned, school name, complete address must be given clearly in the letterhead. In case in English or Hindi, provide the translated version with required seal signature. Okay, so I hope in CBSE school easily you can get it done. Okay, and they are giving it in the English as well. If you are having some other school and they mentioned everything in the other language, then you have to get it translated, get it signed, and then you have to submit the attachment. So this, I think, this also you can easily get with the school. So this also you can make it done. Okay, so this is also another very important. So this, I think we have to wait for the time. This no need to get it done. So this is the undertaking produced by the candidates to be submitted. So they are the students who got less percentage, less than 75. This is the undertaking that they have to give, that if we score less than 70, as currently our score is less than 75, so and we are applying for rechecking or re-examination. So this is the process. Okay, so you can get it done. Means like you can, as if now it is not required, because in here they had mentioned Dasa 2025, in here it will be like 2026. So for this document we can wait. Okay, so this anyhow we can wait, because this is in your hand only. It is not done from the any third party. So this document, another, this document for parents, medical, the parents who are worried. So medical you can get it done from any place, no need to worry. Okay, from here or from India, so no need to worry regarding that. But it's better, like if it's you can get it done from here, that will be good. You can get it done anytime. So it's not like something like that you have to wait, something like that. You can just get it done. So these are the few documents. Please make them ready. In upcoming videos we will be helping you out. Links are in the description. Any suggestion is required, WhatsApp channel is also there. Thank you.